Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make spinach pasta sauce. First, gather your ingredients: fresh spinach, garlic, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and a lemon. This simple recipe transforms basic ingredients into a vibrant, flavorful meal. It's perfect for a weeknight dinner and comes together in under 20 minutes. You'll love how easy it is to create a restaurant-quality dish right in your own kitchen. Let's get started on this delightful culinary journey. Preparation is key for this sauce. Start by thoroughly washing about 5 ounces of fresh spinach. Next, mince 3 cloves of garlic very finely. This ensures the garlic flavor is well distributed. Grate about 1/2 cup of fresh Parmesan cheese, as fresh cheese melts beautifully into the sauce. Finally, have a lemon ready for its zest and juice. These simple steps will set you up for success and a truly delicious outcome. Now for the cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. Then, add the washed spinach to the pan and cook until it's completely wilted, which usually takes about 2 minutes. This quick cooking preserves the spinach's vibrant color and nutrients. You're almost there. Once your sauce is blended to a creamy consistency, toss it immediately with your hot, cooked pasta. The warmth of the pasta will help the sauce cling perfectly to every strand. Garnish with a sprinkle of extra Parmesan cheese and a fresh lemon wedge for a bright finish. This dish is best served immediately to enjoy its fresh flavors. For more great recipes and other deals, check the description below. Also, if you love reading while you cook, you might enjoy the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for accessing recipes or your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.